Hey guys, what's up? Todd here, RC Ohio. I just wanted to share a product that I recently came across for taking care of our, pipe maintenance. I know a lot of us like a raw pipe, and as you all know, we have to keep a nice coat of oil on them so they don't get fucked up, get all rusted up and everything. And over the years, I've used 3-in-1, and I know some of my other friends they use a little bit of two-stroke oil and stuff like that. I've never done that, but that makes a lot of sense. That'd be a good oil. I've used gun oil as well, and that makes a lot of sense too. So I happened to be on Amazon, and I came across these wipes. They're just basically they're gun oil wipes, and I figured I'd share these with everybody. I'll share the link here in a little bit. I figured I'd just wipe this pipe down real quick and show you what it looks like. I've not used them either. I just actually got them now, but I think they're going to be good. So basically, just like a regular wipe. Pull that out of there. See, this pipe's pretty dry. It's in good shape, so I'll just put some oil on it, keep it that way. Putting a nice sheen on it. I like to be able to see plenty of oil on it, that way I know it's protected. Coming out nice. Just thought it might be a more convenient way for us to oil our pipes up, so. And it's looking good, so I think it was worth sharing. It's pretty good and oily, pretty good and shiny. So yeah, I think this is a good product for that. I'll share the link here in a few minutes. Hope this helps.